Hey, what's going on? This is Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. Welcome to another cooking video. In this video, I'm going to be making for you garlic and herb grilled chicken. Alright, so let me get to the ingredients, and here we go. I have some pounded out 5 to 6 ounce chicken breast. I have some fresh parsley. I have some lemon. I have about 8 ounces of butter, room temperature. I have some chopped roasted garlic, about 2.5–3 tablespoons. I have a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to be using fresh cracked black pepper, and I have some extra virgin olive oil. All right. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is marinate my chicken. So we'll go in with about a ½ cup of extra virgin olive oil. Some cracked black pepper. About a ¼ tablespoon. My salt. I'm also going to throw in some dry parsley. And then I'm just going to mix it up. All right, that's nice and mixed up. All right, I'm gonna let this marinate for about at least an hour. All right. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up my herbs, my parsley, so I can make my garlic herb butter. All right, now I'm gonna add my butter in. Like I said, the butter's room temperature. Took it out about 4 hours ago, so. All right, just trying to get all that butter off of there. And now I'm going in with my chopped roasted garlic. And by the way, to roast your garlic, all you got to do is take some garlic cloves, sprinkle a little olive oil or oil on it, or even butter, and just wrap it up in foil. Throw it in the oven for about 45 minutes until it gets nice and soft. If you don't wrap it in foil, it's gonna cook a lot faster, and it's gonna roast. It's gonna get brown really fast, but it's still gonna be a little bit hard in the middle. So if you're gonna do it without foil, I would just roast it really slow. All right. Or you can just do it on the stove. You can put some oil in a pan, put the garlic in there, and just cook it on low heat. And that's gonna flavor your oil, and it's also gonna roast, basically kind of roast your garlic. All right. So get this all mixed up. Hit it with some cracked pepper. And a little bit more salt. All right, get this nice and mixed up. All right, that's nice and mixed up. That's what you're looking for. That's basically, you know, a nice garlic butter, roasted garlic butter with some herbs and a little bit of salt and pepper. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna leave this out for now and get ready to go grill my chicken. All right, let me grab that out of the fridge. All right, my chicken's been marinating for about an hour. So now I'm about to take it outside and basically cook it on the grill. All right. All right, chicken is cooked. All right, nice and grilled. So now what I'm gonna do is I mean that part of the recipe is pretty much done. I just gotta put the garlic butter on it, but I'm just gonna give y'all a little bonus and make some vegetables as well. So I'm just gonna blister up some cherry tomatoes. And go in with some broccoli. The broccoli's already steamed. Hit it with some of this this roasted chipotle garlic. I came across, found this in the grilling section of Walmart, and it turns out to be really good. Cover that up a little bit. Alright, that's good. Put that to the side. Now, let me show you how I'm going to do my chicken. Alright, there's the garlic butter. And basically all I'm going to do, I'm going to take the back of the spoon. And I'm just going to smear the butter over there, all over the chicken. And it's just going to flavor that chicken up. It's going to melt right into the chicken. Alright. Just melts right into the chicken.